Imagine a world where the moon is not just a celestial body, but a digital one. A place where cryptocurrencies thrive and blockchain technology reigns supreme. Is it possible? Well, that's what we're going to explore today. Have you ever wondered if the moon could be the next cryptocurrency hotspot? Let's find out. Part 1. The Basics of Lunar Crypto. First things first, what exactly is lunar crypto? It's a hypothetical concept that explores the possibility of cryptocurrencies being used on the moon or in space. Think about it, if we can have digital currencies on Earth, why not on other celestial bodies? Imagine a lunar colony where residents use cryptocurrencies to buy goods and services, from food and water to housing and transportation. It's a fascinating idea, but is it practical? Part 2. The Challenges and Opportunities. While the concept of lunar crypto is exciting, there are significant challenges to overcome. One of the biggest hurdles is the extreme environment of the moon. The lack of atmosphere, temperature fluctuations, and radiation can pose serious risks to electronic devices. However, the potential benefits of lunar crypto are also substantial. Cryptocurrencies can provide a decentralized and transparent financial system, which can be particularly useful in remote locations like the moon. They can also facilitate trade and commerce between Earth and the moon. Part 3. The Role of Blockchain Technology. Blockchain technology is a key component of lunar crypto. It offers a secure and immutable ledger that can track transactions and prevent fraud. Additionally, blockchain can be used to create smart contracts, which can automate processes and reduce the need for intermediaries. Imagine a lunar colony where land ownership is recorded on a blockchain. This would provide a transparent and secure system for property rights. Similarly, blockchain could be used to manage supply chains and ensure the authenticity of goods and services. Part 4. The Future of Lunar Crypto. So, where does lunar crypto stand today? While it's still in the early stages of development, there is growing interest and investment in this field. As technology continues to advance and our understanding of space exploration deepens, the possibility of lunar crypto becoming a reality is increasingly plausible. However, it's important to note that the development of lunar crypto will require international cooperation and collaboration. Governments, space agencies, and private companies will need to work together to address the challenges and realize the potential benefits of this technology. Is lunar crypto the future of finance? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the concept is fascinating and has the potential to revolutionize space exploration and human civilization. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.